G'day, and welcome to our channel. We all know how important a good night's sleep is, but sometimes it can feel elusive. Today, we're going to share with you 5 key factors that can significantly improve your sleep quality. 1. Sleep environment. The first factor is your sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary for rest. Keep it cool, dark, and quiet. Use blockout curtains to shut out any light. And if you live in a noisy area, consider using a white noise machine or earplugs. Your bed is just as important. Invest in a comfortable mattress and pillows that support your sleep posture. And don't forget to keep your room tidy. A clutter-free space can contribute to a clutter-free mind. 2. Sleep routine. Next, let's talk about sleep routine. Our bodies thrive on routine, and that includes our sleep. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock, known as the circadian rhythm. This means even on weekends, try to keep your sleep schedule consistent. Wind down with a calming pre-sleep ritual, whether it's reading a book, having a warm bath, or practicing mindfulness. 3. Diet and nutrition. The third factor is diet and nutrition. What you eat and drink can greatly impact your sleep. Avoid heavy meals, caffeine, and alcohol close to bedtime. Caffeine, found in coffee, tea, and some soft drinks, is a stimulant that can keep you awake. Alcohol, though it may make you feel drowsy initially, can disrupt your sleep cycle later in the night. Instead, opt for a light snack if you're peckish. Before bed, something like a banana or a small handful of nuts, which contains sleep-friendly nutrients. Physical activity. The fourth factor is physical activity. Regular exercise is great for sleep, as it can help you fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper sleep. However, timing is key. While exercise during the day is beneficial, intense physical activity too close to bedtime can have the opposite effect by energizing you when you should be winding down. Aim to finish any vigorous workouts at least a few hours before you plan to sleep. 5. Stress and mental health. Lastly, let's talk about stress and mental health. Stress and anxiety are common sleep disruptors. If your mind is racing, it can be difficult to drift off. Try incorporating stress-reducing techniques into your daily routine. This could be practicing mindfulness, yoga, deep breathing exercises, or even speaking with a professional if you're feeling overwhelmed. Creating a mental separation between your day's activities and your bedtime is crucial for a restful night. So there you have it. 5 factors that can significantly improve your sleep. By paying attention to your sleep environment, routine, diet, physical activity, and managing stress, you're well on your way to a better night's rest. Sleep well, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Sweet dreams.